Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to do Word Chapter 2 Simulation Exam. In this video, I will solve this exam completely. I will solve each and every single question and you can get this exam done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment, if you want me to do this complete course for you, you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So now let's continue. Launch this one. Okay, so there are total 8 questions and each question has 3 attempts. So we are supposed to solve. We can see the questions here. Like question number 1 is saying select all the document text, change the font to New Time Roman and the font size to 12 points. So we can press Control and then select A. So it will select all the text in the document. Now change the font style to Time New Roman. Time New Roman, or we can simply type it here, Time New Roman, this one. Okay, and the font size should be 12 points. Okay. Then it is saying select the second paragraph in the document, this one, Greenways in Tulsa. Then apply italic font with the autocomplete, italic font here. Okay. Select the 3 paragraph beginning with participate in fundraising. Here. We are supposed to select these 3. Okay, and click the font dialog box launcher here and select small caps. We are supposed to select small caps, bold the selection, and close the task pane. Now select the last paragraph, our future is you, this one. Format the selected text with the text effect of fill blue accent color 1 shadow. Text effect of fill blue accent color 1 shadow. This one. Select the word we need you to help sustain this great organization. Include the period in the paragraph under the fundraising to span. We need you to help sustain this great organization. We need you here. We need you to help sustain this great organization, including the period here. After selecting this, click the text highlight color in the font and highlight the text using default yellow green here. Okay, so that is all about Question number 1. Select the text in the first body paragraph beginning with we want to know and ending with we are growing and change the line spacing to 1.5. Select this line spacing to 1.5 and do not unselect. Change the alignment of selected text to justify this one. Change the spacing after the selected text to 6 point. After. This is after 6 point. Place the insertion point after the second body paragraph Greenways in Tulsa. This one. Click the insert tab, click symbol, click more symbol and insert registered symbol. Okay, insert tab, go to symbols, more symbols and we are supposed to insert registered symbol from here, this one. Insert and close this one. Change the alignment of the second body paragraph to align right. So we are supposed to align this to the right. Scroll to page 2 and select the event information beginning with 15th annual fundraising dinner. This one. Ending with City Park here. Click the paragraph setting dialog box launcher and apply a left indent of 0.5. Left indent of 0.5, left indent should be 0.5. This one. So we are done with 2 questions so far. Now we are going to do next question, that is question number 3. Place the insertion point after the end of the document. Place the insertion point and the end of the document. Display the ruler set here. We are supposed to set display the rulers first. Then we can set the tabs. Set a left tab at 1 inch. Mark on horizontal ruler. This is the left tab. Change the tab selector to right tab and then click 5.5 on the ruler. So we can set from here as well. Right should be 5.5. This one. Open the paragraph dialog box. Click tabs to open the tabs dialog box. Click 5.5 tab and select a dot ladder. Click OK. Tabs. Select this one and select a dot ladder here. Set and click OK. Press tab. Then type grand opening. Press tab, type Saturday, May 8 and press enter. Okay, then it is saying on the first page of the document select the 3 bold paragraph beginning with participate. So we are supposed to select these 3 bold paragraph. These one. Click the numbering arrow and then select the third option. This one. Scroll to page 2 and select the 3 paragraph near the end of the page. Beginning with volunteer and ending with make a difference. Here. Then it is saying apply a hollow round bullet, this one. So we are done with 4 questions. Okay. Now we are going to do next question, that is question number 5. Click to place insertion point before the first body paragraph on page 2, beginning with the Greenway's largest landing. Here. Click the insert tab and then click picture in the illustration group and flower picture. Okay. Picture. This one, insert this one. Okay. Click the layout option beside the picture and select tide. This one. Position the insertion point before the fundraising to spend budget snowfall heading on page 1. Here. And then insert a smart art graphic before the fundraising. Okay, before the smart art graphic. Choosing converging arrows layout from the relationship. Converging arrows. This one. Okay. Now in the left pane of the smart art graphic, type funding. Funding, and in right we are supposed to type growth. Select the text Greenway's today in the first line on page 1. This one. Format the selected text as word odd using the style fill blue accent color 1 shadow. This one. Okay, we are done with question number 5 as well. Now we are going to do next question, that is question number 6. Click anywhere in the first body paragraph of page 3. So this is page 1, page 2 and this is page 3. Okay. And drag to draw a small text box resize the text box to 1 high, 2 width. With insertion point in the paragraph, type learn how you can help us grow. This one. Select the text in the okay, change the font size to 16. So we are supposed to change the font size to 16. Change the text wrapping of the text box to square. This one. At the right side of the Greenway's today heading, insert a Greenway's today. This one. Greenway's today, right side. Insert a shape and we are supposed to insert star 4 point. Star 4 points. This one. And we are done with question number 6 now. Select the smart art graphic on page 1 that the entire object is selected. Select it. Okay. Click the smart art design and apply the Polish style. This one, change the height to 2, height should be 2 and width should be 2.5 inches. Height to 2, width should be 2.5. Select the text box on page 3, this one. Set the shape fill color to blue accent 1 letter 60%. Shape fill. Blue accent 1 letter 60%. Change the shape outline to black text 1. This one. Click the star shape at the top of page 1. Change the height of the star shape to 0.75. With the star shape on page 1 selected, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate this one. Drag the new to the left and we are done with question number 7. Click the star object at the left side, this one. Hold down the shift key and select the word art, this one, and then the other object, this one. Then click the shape format tab and we are supposed to group these 3. So we are supposed to group these 3 from here, group. Change the wrapping style to top and bottom, this one, and we are done with question number 8. So I have completed this whole simulation exam for you in this video. But if you want me to do this complete exam, if you want me to do this complete course for you, you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the